Hey friends, who's hungry? Bold, smoky, and perfectly spicy, this homemade Cajun seasoning comes together in just minutes and makes everything taste better. In a small bowl, add 2 tablespoons of paprika, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of dried oregano, 1 tablespoon of dried thyme, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 1 teaspoon of white pepper. Stir everything together until the spices are evenly blended. Then transfer the seasoning to an airtight jar and store it in a cool, dark place. Use this Cajun seasoning on chicken, shrimp, seafood, vegetables, or potatoes for a bold flavor with just the right amount of heat. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.